Another one, people. Almost instantly after catching the first one. It's smaller still, but so we can do the same way.
Rotted goat mouth.
Let me tell you that, come here, I'll be a better with give me with it. It is something that dog. Watch this, this one going. Come back. Snapper, watch it. Snap, watch that big. This is how you catch a snapper. That is how you catch a snapper. You see me?
Leverage.
The leverage. The leverage, yeah. The leverage. The leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
The leverage, yeah. Welcome back, Leverage Nation. I don't know, say Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. You know the leverage, you know. Right now, back again with another fishing video. I don't know, so we're there with the legends, them. You see me? Yeah. That man, Nick.
Outside, you know, you think of.
Great clay. You see me? So this time we're there at the bait shop, or we make it quicker and faster. I get some bait. So you know the leverage go already as usual. We're going to show you what kind of bait we get. And that is it. So right now we're just there at the bait shop. Go on. You know the procedure, Leverage Nation. Upon some rods on them, something there. And things. So yeah, man, check in and see where I'm going. We're going to show you the bait, or where I get. And then, yeah man, straight to the different location from the last. So always remember to like up the video, like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah, that's a leverage. You don't know anything go. Live baits over here. See shrimp them there? Yeah. Play them over here, see I look on some hooks.
I didn't read them more, you know, they're crazy, you know. I didn't read them.
Alright, Leverage Nation, so we're there, check in, we don't make it too long. Straight to it, you know a leverage. Check in or go. Yeah, Leverage Nation, quick and fast to reach, you know. Right now we're there, Hillsborough. How that parking name? I don't even remember. No man. I'm not sitting there with them. But there, you know that here right next to your bridge, you see me? Yeah man, nice little active place, you know. So we are go around here so and show now what I go on. Oh.
Dead bird, dead dove.
Come in man. That's a leverage man. You see me, so we're there, we are still look over here in the party and see what it's going on with. You see me, catch your view. I mean we have some Clay, I think me and Clay alone with father right so before. We never have no luck, but see, we wonder if we can have luck this time now. You see me? There, we don't say I pay for parking thing. And so, yeah. Clay, I'm a deal with it. You know, Hillsborough Lighthouse Museum. They are walk down the stretch. You know a leverage nation. So understand, ready?
That's a leverage, you know, I think go paint
Yeah,
the
man,
party
ready,
right
man.
now. See if we can get some fish and everything go.
That is it. So I'm checking us and see where I go and see bridge I go up. Yeah man. Boat them a pass through, you see it? Boat. That is it man. You see it? Check in and see where I go. Yeah, Leverage Nation, so we're there. We're underneath the bridge here. You see me? And we have bait them, we have some live shrimp and we have some normal shrimp already. As usual. See them there? Live bait, you know? Them there we are working at the bubbler, you see it? You don't know? No. That's a leverage. leverage nation. I don't know, say we're there. How we hook up.
Swivel online.
Swivel online. Yeah, man. Real get up back on them things there, you know.
Panda nothing.
So yeah, teach them on that. Why not? Not the leverage.
So you bring it over, or you bring it to pinch it and you pull it up. Then you fold it and you bring it back under. And then you just bring it through like this, like 3 or 4 times. 2, 3, 4. And you just pull and put things like that. And then it's a rear piece that will left by itself. You can cut it as low as you want. And then now will come off. Not sick because the more pull up on it, the tighter I get. Now go break. You see me?
That is it, man. Right now we're underneath one bridge or carry all the parts right here, so look underneath the bridge there. Bridge on the see that go. See bridge on the see that go up right underneath the bridge there. You see me? So we are trying to look right to see what we can catch. Yeah, showing us some fishing location, you know, because yeah. I don't know a thing go. Just there, man. You know, we are throwing the line 1 and 3 times, but I don't know. See, and that man can do it, you see? Alright, so I'm throwing the line and we'll see where I go on right now, you know? That is it, man. That's a leverage. Some nice boat over here to leverage nation. Yeah. Guess you know them do chart and them thing there over them thing there. Yeah, man. Just there, so wait same way. Drop the line. Hold on, you never put no
weight.
no weight on it. Okay.
So no weight on it. You just make a line. How you do? Just make a line go on, float in the water. A live stream, so I'm going to swim around on it. And then other fish we see him and just attack him, you see me? So, see if we can get nothing. Right now, I get a couple of bites, but nothing crazy.
That's a leverage. So tune in and see where I'm going. We'll show you if we catch something or nothing up online. That's it. Yeah, man. Nation, I look up at me and say, oh, what kind of man this roll for the statue? Wicked. Bridge all got together. Oh, but if they notice, so them put a statue right there. So. Yeah, man. Papa no beach, Hillsborough. You can see sign right there. So. Yeah, man. That's a leverage. You want up there, so. Yeah, that is it.
Bombard. What? Yo, is that? Yo. You take everything, brother.
Gone with it.
Gone, brother.
Oh.
Mangrove snapper. Mangrove snapper, pretty but undersized. Throw him back. First one of the day. See one more we can get. Another one, people. Almost instantly after catching the first one. It's smaller still, but so we can do the same way. That's him back. See if we get nothing more.
Look like I can see him one, sir.
It's smaller, man. They cook proper, you know, but I never escape this here. Gone. More to come. Look here. Amount of live stream. Nah, go no way. Back in the water. Yeah. See my flick? Sometimes they jump and surprise you. See what more we can get. Go quick. Watch, one more coming up. Give me 10 seconds. Right back to you. Go on with me. Go on with me. 10 seconds.
Gone?
No.
What is that?
Snapper.
Snapper.
Snapper. You are pinch me. Go sharp. Where's the camera? Back in. Dog. Watch this, watch this one, go on. Come back. Snapper, watch it. Snap, watch that big. This is how you catch a snapper. That is how you catch a snapper. You see me?
Leverage.
Look like a keeper. Healthy. A bridge eye. Oh. Nice.
Oh.
Aggressive, brother. They say bigger than be more aggressive.
Hold him, man. Where are
No, man. You have to hold him in a way where him fin and something that joke you.
Yeah, so Leverage Nation, we're out here try to see where we can go on. You know, we get a few, you know, undersized one, but we're still out here, man. You know the leverage, man. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, you know. We are doing the right thing out here.
Come show now. Look people, this is how you catch a snapper. Not yet. I'm not seeing no snapper. I said, oh, I snapper them down, man. That's too upstairs. Never fear.
Hang on for this one, man.
Yeah, leverage nation, small, but very small. Well, let me go here. Somebody will jump. Live there in the debate because they have in the water and fight to run from fish. Like this one here. Like being dead to me hook him up.
That one look like you're out of luck today. Not everyone may see a catch from the hook.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I want to do. But look at me, I'm pyramid sinker on it. Yeah, you see? You see right there?
Yo, be a snapper me look when I said dog. Right now I camera me I go take and shoot him.
You see?
Rotted goat mouth.
You see me tell you dog, come here, I'll be a pyramid to give me with it. It is something dog.
Snapper bite dog. Snapper on. Yeah. Yo, right now I can't be sitting here so. Can't get
You have it something to me, Jen? He looks small though, he looks small, yes.
small brother, that's him back. Well, even if when I get to keep none, at least when I can say, yo, we are catch fish constantly. So, me what I said so far, the video is a success, isn't me? But stay tuned, more to come.
You see one look over there? You beat up and say them go at a sinker dog. A ranking them a see.
You want to take mine? You want to take mine?
I take out the big sinker them, brother. I know we need them. See if me still have them. They have a way better chance like current strong. I just take them out, you know. Say, me know so why me have them? Take them out, me in need of them. Must can't catch me, I know.
I'm tired.
Yeah, stuck around and I'm going to back out. You want big stuff around here? Yo. Back I even think right now.
Another one bro. Them they like crazy with a base man when I get behind dog.
Anytime I put on this hook man, I just fish on.
Yet another small snap. Be a small snapper dog.
Watch out. See? My fish I'm dash around here, buddy. Yo, I'm going to tell me I never know I like a bit of that. Fish at a land. I'm stuck in a stone from see something come out there. Shit.
What you have there, sir?
My snapper but the undersize.
Well, Leverage Nation look like a undersized snapper segment, you know? But we still have fun, we still are going, we still are going, you know? And every time I go here, Leverage Nation, I know so we're there. I don't know, maybe we have to just join this stand into another video, but catch a good amount. Well, the pan hook, but I don't know they're small enough, so you know Leverage, you know, still check in and see where I'm going. Maybe we join up on the next video, maybe we don't, but you know, let's see what happens. We work with the flow. You know Leverage, you know. You see me, we're out here.
Look like you can make it.
What?
Like you can make it, don't? Can make it, man. Look like you can make it. Yeah, I got something there.
Can't put money on.
Yeah.
That not make it at all.
Alright, let me $10.
$10. I'm mad.
You can't bet $10.
Go on, man, hurry up, man.
What you say? The bet of the bets?
Yeah. He look short still, he look oh, yeah.
That's a 9.
9.
9 that.
Let me see a 10.
That's not 10, that can't be 10.
8.5 or 9. Without a doubt.
9.5.
Oh, 9.5.
Yeah, leverage nation, we're back. You don't know a leverage, you know. Next day, we never catch nothing the other day, so right now we're in the bait shop and catch some more. Well, get some more bait. Now we're the right thing. So we're not further along it, you know. You know a leverage nation. See it, yeah. So we check in now, go up on the location. I want to location them, we think we are go before still, but we are safe having a look today, isn't it? You know a leverage. So yeah, leverage nation, we're back with there. Remember this location where we have the mishap, so yeah man, we'll come back at the location and we're going to see where I go on. You don't know, say, we out here man, I got you, I like the whole atmosphere and the whole, you see me? Look around here, so. But yeah man, see where I walk through the place, yeah. We have Clay and Monica walk with the rod them. Monica carry 2. Clay carry him 1 with the bucket. Yeah man. So we out here man, you know. See what it take. Another day. Another try. Know a thing go already. So you check out the place and see where I go on man, you see me? Yeah man, some whole heap of tree there right here, so people them out here. I walk up on the course. Yeah man, cause last time we went the video. Matter of fact, you know, some of the check man. Okay, yeah man, we're good to go. Yeah man, so we're out here and we have video the right way this time. Yeah. You see me? So you know the leverage man, check out and see where I go on, you know? Out here man.
Well, that time I think you're going to swing your thing. I mean I say yo, you man not put up on the camera. But a loyal fans them, you have to remember this as whatever I know. Because we're showing you the intro already, we're showing you the entrance and...
No, they never see the, remember say, the camera mess up from them time, so then I say we see entrance.
Yeah,
that's why I make sure I show them the entrance right now.
For that, we don't have to blame the cameraman, but yeah, we're there again, we're going to see what we're going to make happen. A Sunday, so we live with families and father and son and couples about the place, but still, nevertheless, we're going to see what we're going to go and over there, so be a people, who knows what, picnic and what. But yeah, stay tuned, we're going to see what data leverage.
Yeah, so Leverage Nation, we're out here and don't know it kind of windy, don't know it windy already. And the water heavy, isn't it? What it? Yeah, man, also applicated. We have squid and shrimp. See squid there. Yeah, man, but we're out here to clear out the gun.
You ready? You ready? That smells nice even though it's raw.
Eat it,
Also,
man.
as I sent him on the bite tonight, right?
Man, a slide, man. Come back, come on. Come here, come on.
That's up there.
Come on, buddy.
Huh?
Here, come on.
Mine? Mine? Oh.
Yes, so Leverage Nation, just check in and see where you're going. We are making you know. It will catch nothing, you know? Heavy.
Yeah, I'm still on the deal.
I wrong, sir.
Yeah, we are.
Don't worry.
Stop down. Stop down.
There.
Hold on, you're on.
Go. And I try to go on there, rocks with the fruit, brother.
Wait, what that?
It look like a grown.
Hold it up there. Get that go down there.
Yeah. Get people.
Oh, Django.
Bucket, man. Bucket, sit down bad enough.
That is it, Leverage Nation. Out here, see?
First one of the day.
Yeah, man, out here, man. Okay, just catch the first one. You see it?
That's a leverage. That's it, man. Stay tuned for more. Yo, I'm gonna put the bait them over here because the wave is going to take away all that bait them and get them. Alright. One push, two schemos.
That's leverage.
But when the back guy wants to sit down on the stairs, that's all. Yeah, it's the line. Get it already, man. Almost did it already.
Take him off and turn back in there.
You're not dead.
Dead. We'll cut the line there.
Which line?
Around there. Alright, so Leverage Nation, that is it for this adventure. Yeah, man. We caught a couple, get few bites, but only got one really and truly a run. But we enjoy the little outdoor fishing adventure. I don't know. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are leverage back in right now. Yeah, man. So you know leverage, you know. So yeah, man. We're telling them.
Here, man. Stay tuned. Be prepared for more video. Today, we could have get more fish, but still we have a good time, you see me? So just stay tuned. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. You see me? That's a leverage, you know what I think of.
Yeah, man, so you know a leverage Nation. We're out, you don't know them. You have to know to tell them.
Yeah. Put in the comments what kind of video you want to see. You see me? Yeah.
So that's a leverage, man. Until next time, Leverage Nation. We enjoy, always enjoy the adventure then. All if you catch a million and none and one, but you don't know the thing go. Yeah, man, that's a leverage, man.